7 proven tips to help you lose that stubborn belly fat for good. Are you looking to lose stubborn belly fat? If so, you are not alone. Fat loss can be a difficult journey, but with the right knowledge and determination, it is achievable. In this video, we will provide you with 7 of the best tips to help you on your journey to fat loss and the reduction of stubborn belly fat. Number 7. Don't skip meals. Skipping meals can be counterproductive when it comes to losing stubborn belly fat. When you skip meals, your body goes into starvation mode, which slows down your metabolism and makes it harder to burn fat. Additionally, if you go too long without eating, you'll be more likely to reach for unhealthy snacks when you do get hungry. Instead of skipping meals, try to eat 5 to 6 small meals throughout the day. This will keep your metabolism running and give you more energy to exercise and stay active. Eating smaller portions more frequently can also help control hunger and cravings, making it easier to stick to a healthy diet. Don't forget to include protein at each meal to help build lean muscle mass, as this can help you burn more calories and lose belly fat in the long run. You may also want to incorporate healthy fats, like those found in nuts, seeds, and avocados. By making sure you don't skip meals, you'll have an easier time staying on track with your weight loss goals and getting rid of that stubborn belly fat once and for all. Number 6. Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is one of the best things you can do to lose stubborn belly fat. Studies have shown that those who get more sleep are able to lose more weight than those who don't. Lack of sleep can increase stress hormones, leading to an increase in appetite and cravings for unhealthy food. Aim for at least 7-8 hours of sleep per night to give your body the rest it needs to recover and reset. Prioritize winding down and relaxing before bed. Turn off electronics at least an hour before bedtime, and try to go to bed and wake up around the same time every day. Doing this will help regulate your circadian rhythm and give your body the energy it needs to stay energized throughout the day. Not only will it help with weight loss, but it will also keep your mind alert and your body functioning at its best. Number 5. Exercise regularly. Regular exercise is one of the most important things you can do for your health and to help you lose stubborn belly fat. Exercise can help you burn calories, increase your metabolism, and reduce stress levels. It can also help strengthen your core muscles, improve balance, and give you an overall sense of well-being. When it comes to losing stubborn belly fat, the best type of exercise is high-intensity interval training. High-intensity interval training involves short bursts of intense activity, followed by periods of rest or low-intensity exercise. This type of exercise can help you burn more calories in less time compared to traditional exercise. It's important to note that while HIIT is the most effective exercise for burning stubborn belly fat, any form of physical activity can help you burn calories and build lean muscle mass. A combination of both cardio and strength training is ideal for losing stubborn belly fat. For best results, aim to exercise at least 30 minutes a day, 3 to 5 days a week. Additionally, make sure to include rest days in your workout routine so that your body can recover. Remember that any amount of exercise is better than none at all. Number 4. Eat more fiber. Fiber is a key component in any diet as it helps to regulate digestion and can also help you feel fuller for longer. Eating more fiber can also help you burn fat and lose weight, especially when combined with regular exercise at the gym. Eating fiber-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains can provide your body with essential nutrients and minerals. Adding fiber to your diet can help reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and other chronic illnesses. Some great sources of fiber include oats, apples, broccoli, lentils, almonds, beans, and avocados. Start incorporating more fiber into your diet by including a mix of these foods in your meals throughout the day. Remember to stay hydrated as well, since fiber needs water to be processed properly in your digestive system. Eating more fiber can help you reach your goal of losing that stubborn belly fat for good. Number 3. Drink water, especially before meals. Drinking water is an important part of any weight loss program and can help you reach your goal of losing stubborn belly fat. Water helps keep your body hydrated and can help fill you up, reducing your appetite. Drinking a glass of water before meals can also help you eat less, as it takes up space in your stomach. When you drink water before meals, it also prevents overeating, so you won't feel the need to eat extra food. Staying hydrated during your workouts at the gym is also important, as it helps your body burn more calories and keeps your energy levels up. Drinking water before, during, and after exercise can also help with recovery. But 2. Avoid processed foods. Processed foods are generally high in calories, sugar, unhealthy fats, and sodium. They can contribute to an unhealthy diet and make it difficult to lose stubborn belly fat. To stay healthy and lose belly fat, it's important to limit the amount of processed foods you eat. Start by reading food labels carefully. Look out for added sugars and artificial ingredients that can cause your body to hold onto fat. Avoid anything that is heavily processed or full of preservatives, including pre-packaged snacks and frozen meals. Instead of processed foods, focus on eating whole, natural foods. Whole foods like fruits, vegetables, nuts, legumes, and grains are naturally low in calories and full of vitamins, minerals, and other beneficial compounds. When you're at the grocery store, shop around the perimeter of the store where the fresh produce and lean proteins are located. You can also find natural items in the freezer section such as fruits, veggies, and lean meats. Number 1. Eat breakfast every day. Breakfast is an important part of your daily routine, especially if you're trying to lose stubborn belly fat. Eating breakfast every day gives your body the necessary energy and nutrition it needs to kickstart the day. It also helps keep you feeling full for longer, so you don't have cravings and are less likely to overeat at lunch or dinner. Studies have found that people who skip breakfast tend to be heavier than those who eat breakfast regularly. Eating a healthy breakfast in the morning can give you the extra boost of energy needed to hit the gym and make healthier food choices throughout the day. So, if you're looking to get rid of that stubborn belly fat, make sure to fuel up with a nutritious breakfast every day. That's it for today. We hope you found our video interesting. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with others. Also, please consider subscribing to our channel. Remember to turn on the notification bell so you can see all of our new uploads. In the end, thanks for watching and see you next time.